Welcome to this comprehensive training on Zero Trust Security, the new standard for cyber attack protection and data privacy. In today's threat landscape, where AI-powered attacks grow more sophisticated every day, the old security model of trust but verify has become dangerously obsolete. This training will cover what Zero Trust is, why traditional security is failing, how to implement this architecture, and why it's now essential for data privacy compliance. Zero Trust is a security framework built on one principle: never trust, always verify. Unlike traditional models that trusted anything inside the network perimeter, Zero Trust eliminates implicit trust entirely. Every user, every device, and every access request must be continuously authenticated, regardless of location. The framework operates on three core principles. First, continuous verification, authenticating users at every access point, not just at login. Second, breach assumption, building systems expecting that breaches will happen. Third, least privilege access, giving users only the minimum access they need, nothing more. Traditional castle-and-moat security is failing. VPN vulnerabilities have exploded, with security flaws increasing over 80% recently. 56% of organizations reported VPN-exploited breaches last year. The network perimeter has vanished due to remote work, cloud services, and hybrid environments. AI-powered attacks are evolving faster than traditional defenses can respond. Threat actors now use AI for social engineering, deepfakes, and adaptive malware. 81% of data breaches involve weak or stolen credentials, the very foundation perimeter security depends on. The numbers tell the story. Nearly 70% of enterprises have adopted Zero Trust architecture. 81% plan to implement it within 12 months. The global Zero Trust market has reached $38 billion and is projected to reach $86 billion by 2030. Adopting Zero Trust reduces data breach costs by an average of $1 million. It mitigates up to 25% of overall enterprise risk. 65% of organizations plan to replace VPNs within the year. Zero Trust 2.0 integrates artificial intelligence to establish trust in real time. These systems use machine learning to assess user behavior instead of outdated rule-based access. When unusual activity is detected, automatic access modification kicks in immediately. AI-powered security operations centers continuously refine security baselines, detect anomalies, automate threat containment, and perform predictive risk analysis. This keeps organizations ahead of AI-driven attacks while maintaining business speed. Zero Trust and data privacy are now inseparable. For organizations navigating GDPR and CCPA, Zero Trust directly supports compliance. Least privilege access ensures data minimization. Encryption protects data in transit and at rest. Continuous monitoring enables rapid incident response. Every access request is logged, creating audit trails regulators require. Zero Trust bridges security with compliance, making it foundational for data privacy. Implementing Zero Trust requires a strategic approach. Step 1. Deploy robust multi-factor authentication and risk-based adaptive access controls for identity verification. Step 2. Implement microsegmentation to divide networks into isolated zones, stopping lateral movement. Step 3. Enforce least privilege with dynamic, context-aware permissions. Step 4. Deploy real-time monitoring to detect anomalies across users, devices, and applications. Step 5. Integrate Zero Trust network access with your existing infrastructure. Step 6. Foster a security culture where everyone understands that trust must be earned every day. Looking ahead, identity-first networking will replace IP-based design. Peer-to-peer mesh architectures will become the default. AI will serve both defenders and attackers, making Zero Trust more critical than ever. Decentralized identity management using blockchain will reduce reliance on centralized authentication. Organizations embracing these advancements will gain significant advantage against evolving threats. Zero Trust has moved from niche concept to security necessity. With 70% of enterprises already adopting it, the question is not whether to implement, but how quickly. In a world where attackers can be anywhere and breaches are inevitable, the only safe assumption is to trust nothing and verify everything. For organizations serious about cybersecurity and data privacy, Zero Trust is foundational. Thank you for completing this training on Zero Trust security and data privacy protection.